Alrighty, what's going on out there, gun tubers? Today I got me picked up another red dot sight this morning. Thought I'd share it with y'all. This is the VORTEX VENOM 3 MOA red dot, and this is not a new one. This is a used one I got. I found it a good deal at a pawn shop, so I just thought it'd be, you know, for the price I couldn't pass it up. And I've been looking for something to put on my MP5 because the last red dot I got was see, they have new VORTEX red dots out now. They've got the Defender, and the CCW is the one I have on my Hellcat, and I had the ST that I got for the MP5, but it was a little too big, and I didn't like where it was sitting. I would have had to get some riders and stuff. Anyway, let's quit talking. Let's look at this thing here. All right, so let's open it up. That's the front of it. Side, bottom. See if we can look through it here, turn it on. See if it'll show up. Let's turn it up. Not really showing up through camera too good here, but yeah, it won't focus in on the red dot, but if we move that, you can see it a little better. It's a 3 MOA dot, but anyway, that's it. See what comes in it here. Come on, camera, work with me here, work with me. Okay, so it's got the Picatinny mount, which is what I need, had to have that. And it's got a little cover. Cool. It's got 2 Allen keys for, I guess, 2 different screw sets right here. It's got a tool, screwdriver, and then inside here it's got some the screws you need to mount it. Little VORTEX cloth, some more screws. That says for the Glock MOS, and the manual. So, okay. That's what we got. So let me go ahead and install this, put it on my MP5, and let's take a look at it, see what it looks like. All right, stand by. All right, guys, so here it is mounted on the SP5 on the Picatinny rail. Yeah, it doesn't co-witness, but it's right above this this thing right here. It's sitting up about a 1/4 inch over that thing. So take a look at it, see what you think. Looks real nice. So hope that's picking up out here in the sunshine, but yeah, it's pretty sweet. Real good on there, I think. And yeah, it's not the most expensive optic, but it's okay. Works real good, and I got it for a really good price at the gun store. So real good up there. All right, guys, just wanted to show you all that, and tell me what you think. All right, we're out.